Welcome back, guys. My name is Keith Duble, and I'm not like any realtor you know. For 13 years, I've helped hundreds and hundreds of clients just like you move to Austin or move locally while working with over 22 home builders. So even if it's the middle of the night, you can still reach out to me. Just look at how in the description below, because you deserve a 5-star experience. Now, guys, today's property is the Valencia plan by TriPoint in Lariat. It's the newest neighborhood in Liberty Hill, Texas, my hometown. Not my hometown, where I live. After living in Austin for over 20 years, my wife and I recently moved to Liberty Hill, and we just love it. It is exploding. There's so much charm and comfort, and they're offering all these amazing prices on homes. It's great. This is one of them. So this is the largest plan in the Terrace collection offered by TriPoint. It is just under 2,600 square feet, so 2,589 square feet. It is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath, but there is a super versatile flex space downstairs that you can either convert to an office or a 4th bedroom. I love that. So you've got this open concept living space, this professional chef style kitchen, and just the value is amazing. So this whole home was designed to kind of give you that Sedona, Arizona feel. Sedona, Arizona. My wife and I took my kids to Sedona, and I walked into this place and I was like, oh my gosh, that terracotta finish on the tile and all the kind of the terracotta themed, all the colors, just like that peachy, reddy, rosy feel. It's just so beautiful. We were just taken right back to Sedona. It was awesome. So I want to tell you a story about that, but we will get back to that. I'm going to talk through this amazing tour. Now, this kitchen has so many things to offer. Your right section of cabinets, your left section of cabinets, you have a very generous pantry space here that you can use your stainless appliances, your in-wall oven setup, double oven, and you have the oven microwave set up, and then you have your burners on your stove cooktop with your quartz countertop feeding into this lovely dining space / kitchen space. And it's so efficient because the fact is most people aren't using formal dining rooms anymore. They rarely do, if they do. And they just went ahead and put that bar space in the kitchen area for like a breakfast, and then they have kind of a dining area over here, which is really nicely sized. You have this outdoor covered patio leading down into this yard, and there's various lots in Lariat that you can choose from. Now, again, this is the largest in the 40-foot product. It is part of the Terrace collection, as I mentioned before. And again, this price is going to be just about $433,000. And so $433,000. But yes, so much to offer in this home. Now, we're going to head back inside, and I do love so much how the downstairs is open, just wide open, and you have access, actually views into that second level up there, and they do something really unique. We're going to look at it momentarily, but the staircase comes up in the middle, the landing space, and the upstairs area there comes up, and there's a catwalk on the, it would be on the right side if you're coming up the stairs going into the owner's suite, which is really cool in the back of the house. Now, this is that space downstairs that's either a bonus space, it's en suite, and it can be an office, or it is the 4th bedroom. So that's what this is downstairs. Really, really cool. Nice size closet, everything that you really need in the space. Now, Lariat is an absolutely beautiful little neighborhood. Rolling hills, it's off County Road 214 off Highway 29. The schools are going to be Liberty Hill Elementary School and Liberty Hill Middle School, and of course you have Liberty Hill High, although they are putting in a new high school, so I think this neighborhood will be zoned for the new school when it comes in. The Road 214 actually will connect out to Highway 183. They're going to take it all the way through for convenience and access. And it just continues to get better and better and better. Taxes out in the neighborhood are pretty good. I think 2.7%. And there is gas in this community, so it's not electric cooktops, which is really nice. They did a beautiful finish. I mentioned the Sedona. I'll kind of go back to that little story that I was mentioning. My wife and I were going to a wedding in Flagstaff, but before we went to Flagstaff, Arizona, we went to Sedona for a couple of days, and this was during the time, I think it was the end of COVID, and my wife and I took the kids. It was like 2020, and we took the kids out there, and we were like, yeah, we're going to hang it in Sedona for like 5 days. if you've ever been to Sedona, you know, like one day is plenty. So we were in Sedona just staring at the same beautiful scenery for 4 days, swimming in a pool in April. It was really chilly, just trying to figure out how to do it. Another thing we didn't realize is that it was during school in April, and they're, I think, 2 hours behind Austin time. So we had to get up super early to get them to school. Oh, it was like we were getting up at like 4:30 in the morning so they could do school remotely. Oh man, it was rough. Anyway, they were doing online at the time. Okay, so upstairs in this landing space upstairs, we have that family area over here, that second living space. These beautiful spindles on that lovely banister, that railing there. And then we come around into the back of the home. Facing the back of the home, you have the owner's suite. Now, this owner's suite is got all this light coming in. They've got the 3 picture windows. You have that vaulted ceiling in here. And you have, they did a really good job on the design, by the way, on this place. It just really is lovely. All these terracotta finishes on the tile. It's either something you love or maybe you don't love it, but it's just, they went all in on it, and it's real. I think it turned out beautifully. This model is just gorgeous. They did a great job. So just a beautiful layout. Now, walking in here, the closet kind of comes out, and there's really nice, you'll see, I'm going to walk you through here just momentarily. You got these niches in the shower. Of course, the niche in the shower, you got that walk-in frameless glass. It's beautiful. And then you have just lots of room in this owner's bath. So very nice. We're going to be able to have, I think 5 builders are going to be in Lariat right now. We have Land & Sea, Perry, Ashton Woods, Tri-Point, and Chesmar. Those are the 5 builders in there. Sorry, just off of memory right there. We've closed deals with all, except I've never done a deal with Land & Sea. I'm sorry to admit that, but I just never have. Land & Sea is a builder that I've actually, they're brand new to this area as far as I know. I don't know a lot about, I got to get educated on Land & Sea, but they're the 5 builders that are in this area. So the closet space attaches to the owner's, and you can put a washer and dryer in this space up here. So that is where the washer and dryer connects in this laundry room, which is very nice. So having this on the second level makes life much, much easier. So you have your washer and dryer connected directly to your closet. You come out, there's another towel closet for storage here, any supplies that you need, and it feeds right into this beautiful and lovely, just layout with the second family space right up here. So even with that stairway kind of coming up into the, I would say, offsetting this, kind of splitting this room between the walkway and the family space, there's still a lot of room in that. I mean, walking through there, I just felt I felt like there was so much room in there. So your upper bedrooms over here as well, you have your second of the 3. So you had your owner's suite. You have this bedroom, and the closets are nice. I love the window in this closet. It really helps the elevation of the front. And then you have your third bedroom, which is going to be just on the other side here. And then, of course, you can turn that downstairs flex space into another bedroom, which would be my play if I were to buy a home like this. As an investor and as a buyer, as an experienced real estate person, I would tell you that you're going to usually get a lot more money for your lot more bang for your buck, rather, if you have a 4th bedroom in your home, because you can always you can't generally add, you can add a bedroom, but it's difficult to do. The layout has to be a certain way, and you get that bathroom, which is nice. It's going to be an upgrade on this property, but my opinion, well worth it. So definitely something that would be a value add if you decided to go that direction. So there's some free advice for you. If you have any questions, let me know. By the way, if you're new to the channel, I want to just say thank you for being here. I exist to help people just like you get the information you need, know what's going on in the real estate market here in the greater Austin area, and have a confident transition to this area. We help folks do this all the time. So feel free to reach out. You're always going to be well received. We love talking with our clients. We love serving people. And just know that we are an advocate for our folks. We do this all day long. This is the only thing we do. We're an award-winning team. We've served, as I mentioned, hundreds and hundreds of folks, and we would love to take excellent care of you as well. So guys, this is the Tri-Point model Lariat. There are 3 other ones I want you to check out. The 2 that I've done videos, there are 2 other ones. There's 3 total. One is called the Valencia. Actually, this is the Valencia, sorry. The Linden and the Reimer. So we've done videos on both of those. The Valencia is beautiful. The Reimer is probably my favorite. It's just lovely. And then the Linden is just stunning as well. You want to check out all three of those. They're beautiful models and they have so much to offer. And TriPoint just does a phenomenal job. Feel free to reach out if you have questions about any of those. And also download my buyer's guide for Lariat. Everything you need to know about this amazing community. Look at this understair storage. It's so cool. And they decorated it with the clouds and so forth, like a little retreat for, you know, the kids to get away, like a reading area or something. Very cool. Excuse me. So download the buyer's guide for everything that you need to know about Lariat. It is a beautiful community. So much to offer here in this neighborhood. And Liberty Hill is really just exploding. Amenities are nearby. A lot of good things going on in this beautiful town. You get in early, you're really going to kill it because, you know, we're expecting a lot of good things to happen in this town. So thank you so much for being here, guys. I really, really appreciate it. We love doing what we do. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for being a part of this community, guys. YouTube's going to make some suggestions on some other videos. Check those out. Stick around. And I will look forward to seeing you guys on the next one.